Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Handy Andy's Tech Tips. He's Andy, so I'm Handy, and today for our third episode, I actually had no idea what we were going to do at first. And then Andy hit me with a question. He asked me, did you know that you could use your phone as a webcam for like streaming or anything else you need to do on your computer? And I was like, no way, seriously? What? And yeah, and apparently it's pretty easy as well.
Yep, I told him the whole deal, and there's actually quite a bit of benefits to it. So the first one is it's already there. You don't got to go to the store. You don't got to do anything. You have everything you need already.
Everyone's got a phone.
Everyone's got a phone. Number two, it's probably going to be better quality than the camera you're going to buy anyways. And number three, if you can find a webcam right now, it's probably going to be a lot more expensive than you want it to be with the pandemic going on and the prices being inflated. So we are going to show you the 5 easy steps to using your phone as a webcam.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Alright, and step 1 of the 5 steps to use your phone as a webcam, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi and that your computer is also connected to that same Wi-Fi network. That way they can talk to each other.
Yeah, and if it's hardwired, then just as long as we're on the same network.
That's right.
All that matters. And remember, this works with any phone. iPhone, Android, doesn't matter.
That's right. Next, we're going to show you how to get it installed on your phone.
Yep.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the App Store of whatever phone you have, whether that be iPhone or Android, and search in the App Store for Irion. So it's IRIUN. There it is, Irion Webcam. So you'll go ahead and get that, download it, and then we'll show you where to go next. Alright, next you should see what I see. It says waiting for connection. This means that it is looking for the application on your computer to be opened. So let's head over to the computer and show you how to get it set up there. Alright, so next we are going to show you how to get it installed on your computer. So first thing you'll do is come up to Irion.com. Once you're there, depending on your platform, Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, whatever you have, download for that platform. We are Windows, so we're going to download for Windows. So you can just go ahead and open, it will download. Go ahead and open it up. Accept the agreement. If you have a preferred install path, do that. We just leave it as default. And let her install.
Simple as that.
Now let's start it up. And then if you're going to be using your phone as a webcam quite often, I would check this box so that every time you boot up your computer, the webcam software will also boot up, so you don't got to try to track it down and open it up. It'll just automatically be there for you. Then it's looking for the phone inputs. We will go ahead and get that now. Alright, at this point, the computer is looking for the app to be open on your phone. So if you go ahead and open that up, you'll see it says waiting for connection, and then it is connected. So now you can then see that the phone is being used as the webcam. You can flip it around back towards yourself, and you can see us. Double shot of us.
Yep.
And then you can also use your flashlight as a flash, and then also down in the video format here you can decide what format you would like to record in, 480 all the way up to 4K. Now I will say it depends on your internet connection. If it's pretty fast, then you can use a higher resolution. If it's okay, I would say go with 720 or 480, but in our instance we're going to go with 1080 here. As you can see, it makes the picture bigger. And there we are.
Yep.
All right, so now we're going to show you how we are going to use it with our favorite software, OBS, for using it for streaming on Twitch or YouTube or whatever platform you may use.
Yep. Yeah.
All right, so this is really the final step for just kind of finalizing things here. Like we said, this will work with any software you need to have a webcam for. So our specific choice here is going to be Streamlabs OBS. And the source you're going to look for in any software, you're going to be looking for the same name. So we are going to go add a new source here, add a video capture device. We're going to get a new source, add source, and then you're going to find the drop down box and whatever software you're using and hit the Irian webcam. And just like that, that's it. We did it.
We got the phone as a webcam, and all it took was 5 easy steps.
5 easy steps. And also, by the way, if you like this kind of content, if you have any questions about anything related to this, we stream on Twitch every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sundays at 4 p.m. Central, and the rest of the days at 7 p.m. Central. So catch us there for any questions.
And for those of you who are looking to get into starting your own YouTube channel and or Twitch streaming, which we highly encourage here at Handy Andy's, we're all about following your dreams. We could not get by without these 2 things that we use every time we stream and or record a YouTube video. For YouTube, it's definitely this tripod over here. As you can see, it's quite large and it can extend much farther than that. It comes with a phone and camera mount, and it even can be taken out of there so you can like hand hold it around like a selfie stick. And then for Twitch streaming, we have this wonderful key light and webcam mount over here, and as you can see, it'll clip to virtually anything that clip will fit around, and you can use it to really set up and get the perfect shot and lighting for any time that you Twitch stream. These 2 things are definitely a must-have. All right, and that was 5 easy steps to use your phone as a webcam. And oh, what 5 steps they were. What an interesting video. And along the way, we even both figured out that our phones are better than either one of our webcams. Ha! Wonderful.
And if there's anything you think you might like or want to buy, everything we have used will be in the description below. Whether that be Twitch or hardware or whatever, we'll have all the links down below.
Yep, so until next time, he's been Andy, and every day I'm getting a little more handy.
That's right. We'll see you guys later.
See ya!